How you doing? Todd Uminski back. Wondering about life, about what the purpose, about what you're doing every day. Is it something that you're just not really paying attention, just sort of waking up every day, going to brush your teeth, go to the bathroom, eat your breakfast, go to a job? Are you happy with that job? Coming home at night, going back to sleep, same thing every day? Or is it part of a passion, part of a goal, part of a future you want that you can make happen by making the right decisions, by putting things down on paper, really thinking of what your future is going to entail? Or do you just sort of go through life and just aimlessly sort of go through, and what the day is the day? And if that makes you happy, that's great. But if you have goals and dreams, and the way it works, the future is yours if you put it down. If you put it down on paper, take your thoughts. What do you want your life to be like? Are you interested in your future, or are you just day by day going through? So I put my stuff down every morning. I write down what my future looks like. I put it down on paper. I think of these ideas, I think of these dreams, and then slowly every year something happens because I put action behind it too. And then when I look back, I'm like, holy shit, what I thought about 20 years ago actually happened. It takes time. Manifesting is not just all of a sudden it just happens, and life changes overnight. It can, I guess. I mean, if you won the lottery and you prayed for the lottery for years and finally it came through, well, maybe you manifest that and it did come through. But the way a lot of times it happens, if you put it down on paper, if you think of the ideas of exactly what you want to do, how you want to do it, and then actually implement these things daily. Daily you can do something in your life. Daily you can do it. If you need to send an email to someone, if you need to connect with someone, if you're thinking of anything on your ideas, it's very simple to do. It just takes time. Don't think that your future is going to pop into your life right away. But if you have this future thought of, hey, I want to learn how to fly a plane. Well, how does that work? You're going to have to go take classes, time on an airplane with an instructor, and then finally be able to go and start flying a plane on your own. So it takes time, but that's your future, because you thought about it, you manifested it, and then you actually took action and done it. Same thing with anything. You want to build a business, put down an action plan, a business plan, how it's going to work, who you're going to hire, how you're going to hire them, what positions are they going to fill, what are they going to do so you're not doing it, so you can help and control the business and grow the business. Same thing. It just takes time. So I've been in business a long time. I've worked for myself since I've been about 19 years old, maybe 20 years old. And I'll tell you, it's not easy. It's been a struggle. But all these hard times and times that you feel like you're going to give up, you don't give up. You keep moving forward. You figure out the problem. You figure out a solution for that problem. And then again, you're manifesting your future and getting through to that next step. And then all of a sudden, you'll look back. Wow, it came true. How did it come true? Do that same process over and over in your life, whatever you want to do. You go to the grocery store. You write down a list of stuff that's not in your house, and you go and get it. It doesn't just magically appear. So you got to take action. It all stems from thought, right? All stems from thought. So think of things that you want, and then it manifests. How'd they make an airplane? Someone thought about flying in the sky. Next thing you know, they tested things, they wrote things down, they started figuring it out. Had they make a jet to put on a tin can and fly it through the air? It's a process. Someone thought about it. They did tests. They failed hundreds and hundreds of times. Look at Elon Musk sending rockets into outer space. He failed and failed and failed and failed and kept on going and kept on going. And then it started clicking. It started happening. The rockets started going up in the air. They weren't exploding. Next thing you know, he's going to space. He's going in, delivering stuff up to the Space Center. So, anything's possible. It all starts with a thought, starts with a dream. So go out there, take your time today. At some point today, think about what your future is. Write it down. Write down anything. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be an exact science. Write down these things, put it on paper, and then make a list to how to figure it out. And then slowly start doing things. Even if it takes you time, if you're a procrastinator out there and you don't do things constantly, but if you get one thing done a week, if you get one thing done a month, you're going to look back at your life and go, wow. I'm sure there's things in your life you can do that now. So take some time, think about some things, figure out your future, and get out there and work on it. Hope this helps someone out there. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. God bless everybody.